Hey everybody, today I've got a 2019 Honda HR-V. How to reset the oil light and maintenance light. So this car here's got a key. So go ahead and turn the key to the run position so all the lights come on in the dash. And what we're going to do is right now, as you can see, we're on the mileage and the trip. We're going to go ahead and use the trip reset button here. So go ahead and push the button and scroll through until you come up to the oil life. I know the oil light's at 100%. My manager already reset it, but we're going to reset it again. So once you get to this screen, you push and you hold the trip reset button for about 10 seconds. And the whole thing starts flashing. Then you release the button, and then you push the button again and hold it for about another 5 seconds. And then once it stops flashing, it is reset. All right, everybody, that's how you reset the oil light in a 2019 Honda HR-V. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on my video. Thank you.